Hi everybody, so today we are going to be doing a dividing fractions with integers. So first we are going to use an example which was from Khan Academy, which is 7 over 2 divided by negative 3/5. Now, since you can't really divide by you can't really divide when you're doing fractions, so you keep change, which makes 7, which makes never mind, which makes 7 over 2 times negative times negative 5 over 3. Meaning that the old one, which is right here, was 7 over 2 divided by negative 3/5. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to cross multiply.
You're doing
which makes the answer of 7 times 5, making 35 over 2 times 3. Note that we are not using the negative sign yet, only when we are going to be getting the final answer. Okay. Now, after we do that, sorry, my handwriting is kind of weird. 35 over 6. Okay. Now after 35 over 6, before we turn it into either positive or negative, we have to simplify. So how many times does 6 go into 35? Which is 5. Meaning that 6 times 5 equals 30. The remainder of 5. Making this 5, 5, 6. Now, after we do that, we have to determine whether it's a negative or a positive. Now, since when you multiply, you get negative times negative equals a positive, that is true that this is going to be equal to negative 5, 5, negative 5, 5, 6. So let's try that here. Negative 5, 5, 6. And it is correct. Now, if you want, you could do another one, which would be of with another equation. Okay. Now we have negative 8 over 7 divided by negative 1/2. Now note that this time we have two negative signs. Now when we flip the integer here, we are going to do negative 8 over 7 times negative 2 over 1, which was equal to the expression of negative 8, 7 over 7 divided by negative 1/2. Sorry for my handwriting. So now what we are going to do is, since we already have the simplified expression, we are going to do 8 times 2, which is equal to 16 over 7 times 1, which is equal to 7. Now that's equal to 2, because if you do 7 times 3, that gets you 21. Now 7 times 2 is equal to 14 with the remainder of 2. Now, that would be 2.27. Now, this is positive because, no, now we have 2 negative signs. So, we always have to remember that a negative times a negative equals positive. Because when you do a positive times a negative, it gets you a negative. Now, we got the answer, positive 2.27. So now we're going to see if that works. Okay, 2.27, and that is correct. Now we have practiced our dividing positive and negative fractions, and that is all for today. Thank you for watching.